Hello?
Hi, my name's Aaron Kraft. I'm calling from the Attorney General's office, returning a call from this number.
Yeah. I just received something in the mail, and, you're representing, Sheila Moss?
Who?
Sheila Moss? I'm Kenneth Fitzroy, plaintiff.
Oh, is this a Seventh Circuit case?
What's that?
Yes. Yeah, it's a case that's in the Seventh Circuit now.
Yes.
You're Kenneth Fitzroy?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
I represent the judge.
Is there anybody else representing?
At this point, no. I oversee our civil appeals section. So, once you file a brief, I will probably assign it to one of the people on my team to actually handle. But until then, I'm doing the monitoring of the case.
Okay, because Todd Ritica was on, said he was representing too.
Well, so Todd Rokita is my boss. He's like my ultimate boss. He's the Attorney General of the state. I'm one of his deputies. And so...
How many deputies does he have?
Oh, somewhere between 160 and 200.
And that goes per, like, district, or how does that work?
No, it's statewide. He's the chief legal officer in the state. And then in his office, there are, again, between 160 and 200 attorneys. We don't all do the same thing. We handle various, different things.
Because I received something last week, and it was a different person representing in that matter.
Was it William Kirtley?
Yes.
Yeah, so William and a few other attorneys handled the case when it was in the district court.
Okay.
But I'm an appellate lawyer, and so when you appeal the case to the Seventh Circuit, that's when I get involved.
Okay. And is it usually because from my understanding, the Attorney General is like there for us. He's the top, right?
Well, the Attorney General represents the state of Indiana and state officials, including, judges are state officials. So when someone sues a judge, the Attorney General steps in to defend the judge as an officer of the state.
But not the people?
Well, the Attorney General serves the people in a number of capacities, but the Attorney General does not actually represent, an individual person in a lawsuit against the state officer.
Why do you say person like that? Is that like unmasked person?
No, any person. Person or entity or anything, yes.
Yeah, because I'm just, a man.
Sorry?
I'm a man, not an entity.
I understand that.
Okay. But I just find it strange that, tax dollars go to pay you guys' bills to protect us, and this, if you look over, like, everything, if you, like, looked over the case and, like, from when it started, do you understand there was so much corruption? And how come it's not, and you're defending corruption? It just boggles my mind.
Well, that's your view of the world, and that's why you get to go into court and bring your claim, but we defend it because the judge who you have sued is the state officer.
But I didn't sue the judge. I sued Sheila Moss.
Sorry?
I sued the person, not the
Okay.
person, the Sheila Moss. Like, you know.
Yeah, and she is a judge, and you sued her for acting as a judge. So,
No, because I was wrongfully charged.
yeah.
Do you know the false imprisonment?
I know of the claim of false imprisonment.
Okay, you know color of law, right?
I know color of law. I know, yes.
Are you working under color of law?
Sir, I don't know exactly what you were trying to ask here.
Everyone says that when I ask them, because I want to know what law I have to fight you guys with. It's just, you know, fair, you know? Is this
Well,
fair?
sir, I cannot give you legal advice.
No, you're not. But
I
what
can't give
law?
you legal advice. The only thing I can tell you is that you have sued my client.
Mm-hmm.
I'm representing my client, and if you have questions about what law to proceed and what to do, you probably need to hire yourself an attorney.
Who says I need to hire an attorney?
I'm not saying you need to. I'm saying that is one possible avenue.
Okay. Well, have you looked over? I know. Have you looked over like everything from that case?
No, I have not. I just became aware of the case a few days ago, and it looks like nothing has triggered any deadlines or due dates. And so, again, I'm in a monitoring position.
Okay. Well, do you know what a Q warranto is?
I know what all these things are, sir.
Okay. Well, how come I was declined that? And that's my Sixth Amendment?
Sir, this conversation is veering into topics that I am not able to discuss at this point.
Well, I'm just getting a feel for you, you know, because the trickery is not good. I mean, that's, you know, we can go down that. But, so you're just waiting for what now?
I'm waiting until there is a due date triggered in the 7th Circuit for my office to file a brief. Until the 7th Circuit tells us to file a brief, we are just in a holding pattern. And when I say we, I mean my client and I. The 7th Circuit, I think, issued an order to you today, so you'll want to take a look at that.
Where's that at?
It should have been mailed to you. You may not receive it just yet, because I think they just mailed it out today.
Oh, I got it today.
Okay.
Okay. So it's going to the court?
I'm sorry?
It's going to the court?
What is going to the court?
Because they said that I had to come up with money in that.
Yes, the 7th Circuit has issued some orders to you that you'll want to take a close look at.
Yes, I've been working on that.
Yeah, it is currently delayed until, yes, according to the court's docket, briefing is suspended, and the court has issued you several orders that...
Well, someone was tampering with my mail, and I just, you know, cleared that up. So it's kind of hard when, you know, you got a whole state of, or, you know, government agencies that are supposed to be protecting, you know, we the people, but are used to weaponize.
If you have questions about orders that the 7th Circuit has issued that you may not have received because of mail problems, I always find that I can call the 7th Circuit's clerk's office.
Oh, I
They
do.
can be very helpful
Yeah.
in sending you the documents and everything.
Yeah, because I need the discovery, like from when I was locked up, and then when I was from that whole thing, from the Supreme Court of Northern District. So, can you provide that?
No, I cannot.
Aren't you supposed to?
No, I am not.
Then who would be supposed to give me that? Because I asked for it. Different people.
Sir, where the case is right now is that your complaint was dismissed before any discovery occurred.
I know. And what grounds, though? Because no one ever gave me grounds.
On the ground of judicial immunity.
And who gives them immunity?
The law.
What law?
The U.S. Supreme Court decision sketching out judicial immunity.
No, what law, you said?
The decisions of the U.S. Supreme Court are the law.
What kind of law?
Common law.
Common law?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Well, yeah. I just had some questions, and I think I got some answers. So, have a good day.